Before you book an interior cabin on Royal Caribbean's Star of the Seas, take a look inside one first. This is cabin 10439, which is the Interior Plus Stateroom located on deck 10 of Star of the Seas. And over the next few minutes, we'll show you exactly what this cabin looks like, how much storage it offers, what the bathroom and closets are really like, and the features that make this stateroom unique. And by the end of this tour, you'll know whether this Interior Plus cabin is the right choice for your next Star of the Seas cruise. All right, so welcome to our Interior Plus cabin. So what's interesting about this is that we did a GTY, which is you're guaranteed to get the cabin that you choose or hire, and we chose interior. We got a great rate for it, but when it came time to select our cabin, they gave us an Interior Plus, and so this is an Interior Plus cabin. They love giving you 3 hooks, although I actually bought some more hooks, and I bought some that's gonna carry more weight because the last ones kept sliding off the wall. So we'll see how it is this one. All right, we have our temperature control here. Okay, we can control that temperature. Yes, and then we have our bathroom. I like to do most of the bathroom from out here because it's just so small, but the layout is really nice. It's laid out very nicely. We actually have some sockets here where you can plug up your curling iron or your hair dryer. We have nice shelves here, and then your sink and your faucet shelves at the bottom. And then over here we have a really nice shower. Nice. See, no curtain like how the Radiant said. You see, you get the, yeah, you got an actual door, which you love. Yeah, this is really nice. Shower head is great. Now they still have that one and all shampoo, body spray, and body wash, shampoo, conditioner all in one, unfortunately. But hey, that's what most of the ships are going to now. And then they have all these shelvings like behind you too, so they definitely make good use of the space. Okay, moving on. I love how, you know, we were able to get the bed separated. Now it's not going to be a big huge separation, but it's separation. We got 2 separate individual beds, and then later we'll show you that seating area over there, and we kind of got our luggage and stuff in there. Speaking of, one of our suitcases is still outside. But what I really like about this is the privacy that the Interior Plus probably has, where now you have your business area, your desks and everything here. So it's kind of separate. And then you have your wardrobe back here. So this is all giving you separate private space, which you gotta love. Yes, you can submit for laundry service. You do have your hair dryer, you have your safe, and you do have a little cooler. I wouldn't call this a fridge, but it's definitely something that can cool off some items. And then you have your 2 baskets where you can throw some things in, which is nice. I like the baskets. We have baskets on Icon. Yeah, so the only thing that I feel like is missing from these new Icon class ships is that I never can find the life jacket. You know how they normally be like, you know, the life jacket is inside the room? I never see it on these ships. I didn't see it. Maybe it's under the bed because I didn't see it last time in our balcony cabinet. Speaking of, that balcony cabinet tour is on our channel. You check that out if you want to see what the balcony looks like. The balcony cabinet on Icon and Star are exactly the same. Oh, is that our luggage? Love to get our luggage like right away, which is cool. But I feel very, very, very blessed. So this is the chair, and then there's also a little ottoman. All right, so you got plenty of seating space. It's just for 2 people for a cruise cabin. This is huge. Not they knew we was gonna be black. Look at the picture.
Wow.
No, we was like, we're gonna put black people in this room. Cause you know she black. You can look at that nose and the lips. Yeah. You know she's black. All right.
You don't have to say it like that. That doesn't sound right.
But they were thinking it.
Yes, but like.
Hey, that's in. They spending enough money now. How they lips look like that. room. You don't know what you're gonna get until you get it.
Where's the lights?
Uh-oh. This again.
Oh wait,
Is there a slot? Woo! Can't see anything. Okay. Oh, they still gave us. Oh, wow.
Oh, this is not a rubber duck. Ooh, this is. Wait, is this Marty McFly? This is a Back to the Future.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Let me put that back on.
That is so cool. Oh, I really appreciate this.
That's amazing.
I really appreciate this because I thought only that first group was going to get this. But we got our star. Oh, I gotta take a picture of this. I gotta take a picture of this.
Wow.
We got our Star of the Seas hats and the booklet. Like, oh my God. I'm thankful to want to be a souvenir. You know, that we, to remember this experience. Yes. He's bearing gifts. Thank you. Thank you so much. We have to see what it is. I am feeling so special.
I'm so confused. Not that I'm complaining.
I told you I have some friends in some high places. You ready to see what it is?
Yeah.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da!
Huh. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Makes us feel very special. Thank you, Diego and Tom. The same ones that gave us the on-door credit. Don't know what I'm going to do with that, but it's very nice. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. You too. Now, wasn't that sweet? I'm feeling so special. Feeling like I'm actually a cruise specialist.
Notice how he brought 2 glasses and he looked at me directly in my adult eyes.
Yep.
And said enjoy.
Yep. Which we won't. We'll find somebody nice and give it away to them.